Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Code quality with Checkstyle, a comprehensive tutorial, medium level. This tutorial delves into improving code quality using Checkstyle, a powerful static code analysis tool. We'll cover its setup, configuration, common checks, and advanced techniques, providing practical examples along the way. We'll assume a medium level of Java programming knowledge and familiarity with the command line or IDE integration. 1. What is Checkstyle? Checkstyle is a development tool that helps developers write Java code that adheres to a coding standard. It automatically analyzes your code for violations of a defined set of rules, flagging potential issues like formatting inconsistencies, naming conventions, and potential bugs. This leads to more readable, maintainable, and robust code bases. 2. Setting up Checkstyle ***. 2.1. Installation ***. Checkstyle is typically integrated into your build system, Maven, Gradle, or your IDE, IntelliJ, Eclipse. *Maven *add the Checkstyle plugin to your pom.xml. *Gradle add the Checkstyle plugin to your build.gradle. *IDE integration most IDEs have built-in support for Checkstyle. Look for plugins or settings related to code analysis. You'll need to point it to your Checkstyle configuration file. 2.2. Configuration file, checkstyle.xml. This XML file dictates the rules Checkstyle enforces. You can start with a predefined standard, example Sun checks, Google Java style, or customize it extensively. Here's a basic checkstyle.xml file incorporating several important checks. This configuration checks for Javadoc on public methods, naming conventions, import ordering, witty space issues, line length, tab characters and trailing witty space. 3. Understanding Checkstyle checks, with examples. Let's examine some key checks in detail. Naming conventions ensures consistent naming, example camel case for variables, Pascal case for classes. Bad code good code Javadoc comments requires documentation for public methods and classes. Bad code good code witty space checks for proper spacing around operators and keywords. Bad code good code import statements organizes and limits imports. Bad code good code, after applying import ordering. Line length prevents excessively long lines, improving readability. Trailing witty space removes unnecessary spaces at the end of lines. 4. Running Checkstyle ***. After setting up Checkstyle and your configuration file, run it using the Maven or Gradle command. Maven mvn Checkstyle check. Gradle /Gradle Checkstyle main, or /Gradle Checkstyle test for test code. Checkstyle will generate a report indicating violations. 5. Addressing Checkstyle violations Fix the violations reported by Checkstyle. This usually involves reformatting code, adding Javadoc, or restructuring your code to meet the defined rules. Iteratively run Checkstyle until your codebase is compliant. 6. Advanced Checkstyle configuration Checkstyle supports many more checks, example complexity checks, potential bug detection. You can customize the severity of violations, warning, error, and suppress specific violations in your code using annotations. 7. Suppressing checkstyle violations ***. Sometimes, it's justifiable to suppress a particular checkstyle violation. You can achieve this using annotations. Note ** overuse of suppress ions indicates a potential problem with either your configuration or code design. Strive to address the underlying issue rather than simply silencing warnings. 8. Integrating checkstyle into your CI/CD pipeline ***. Incorporate checkstyle into your continuous integration/continuous deployment CI/CD pipeline. This ensures that code quality checks are automated before merging code into the main branch or deploying to production. Conclusion ***. Checkstyle is an invaluable tool for maintaining consistent code quality. By diligently configuring and using checkstyle, you can create more maintainable, readable, and less error-prone Java code, ultimately improving the overall development process. Remember that the goal isn't just to pass checkstyle, but to improve your code's quality and maintainability. Experiment with different checks and configurations to find the best balance for your project's needs.